The 2027 Kia K4 is proving that stylish compact cars no longer need luxury-level budgets. With futuristic design, strong technology, and surprisingly affordable ownership costs, the K4 continues shaking up the segment while replacing the aging Forte with something far more modern. Ownership costs. The biggest surprise surrounding the 2027 K4 is how affordable it remains over time. Analysts estimate a complete 5-year ownership cost of roughly $33,333, making it one of the smartest financial choices in the compact sedan and hatchback market today. Depreciation accounts for the largest portion at approximately $10,237 over 5 years. However, the K4 still performs better than many traditional rivals, thanks to strong resale demand, attractive styling, and Kia's growing reputation for premium technology and long warranty protection. Insurance costs are projected around $2,038 annually for drivers with clean records. Fuel expenses remain impressively manageable too, with the standard sedan averaging roughly 33 miles per gallon combined, while turbocharged hatchback models still maintain respectable efficiency near 30 miles per gallon overall. Maintenance expenses stay remarkably low at under $400 annually. Much of that confidence comes from Kia's excellent 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, alongside a 5-year or 60,000-mile limited warranty that protects owners from expensive, unexpected repairs during long-term ownership. Design and tech. The K4 immediately grabs attention with Kia's bold, opposites united styling philosophy. Vertical LED lighting, hidden rear door handles, aggressive body sculpting, and coupe-inspired roof lines give the sedan a much more premium appearance than most compact competitors currently available. Inside, the cabin feels heavily inspired by modern electric vehicles. Dual 12.3-inch panoramic displays stretch across the dashboard under one seamless glass panel, creating a futuristic atmosphere that looks far more expensive than the K4's actual starting price suggests. Passenger space also exceeds expectations. Thanks to its extended 2,720mm wheelbase, rear seat legroom is among the best in the segment. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and advanced blind spot camera displays further elevate the daily driving experience. Performance breakdown. The standard 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine delivers 147 horsepower through Kia's intelligent variable transmission. It focuses primarily on efficiency and smooth commuting behavior, making it ideal for buyers prioritizing comfort, fuel savings, and dependable everyday usability over aggressive acceleration performance. Drivers wanting more excitement can choose the GT Line Turbo. Its 1.6-liter turbocharged engine produces 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, while pairing with a smooth conventional 8-speed automatic transmission and upgraded multi-link rear suspension for sharper overall driving dynamics. The 2027 Kia K4 is shaping up as one of the smartest compact cars for buyers wanting style, technology, affordability, and low ownership costs in one package. Subscribe now for more detailed 2027 automotive reviews, ownership guides, and future vehicle updates.